Stylish Hot Mess Express. Toot toot. Welcome to dinner. We are having these, with some of these, and those. Zoom in, zoom out. I'm not certain of the points for the sausages, but it is a homemade sausage. It's a new flavor that we're trying from one of our friends that make sausage. And in case anybody's not familiar, this is the Vortex Oven by Instant Pot. Love it. So I am just chopping up these hot and sweet cherry peppers. So I'm going to sprinkle it in here with the cheese and the bacon. And then I'm going to wrap them. Cheese. My peanut gallery. I do part cook the bacon. I don't make it super crispy, but you want it. That's how I turn my food. You want it to be somewhat cooked. There's 1 ounce of skinny pizza dough with 1 Trader Joe's chicken hot dog, 1 point. 1 point for the dough, 1 point for the bacon. I'm going to use less than a point for the cheese. So, the WW rebel that I am, I ain't counting that shit. Poop. Not suitable for children's ears.
What are those?
These are sweet and hot cherry peppers.
No, the dough balls.
The dough balls are going to be flattened out to these. Or they could be flattened out, whoops. They could be flattened out and made sweet as well, but this batch of dough I made savory with seasoning salt instead of using regular salt. You could actually mix jam in with it, frozen fruits, do little donut type things. The recipe, I can link it below, right?
Yeah.
I'll put the recipe below, but it's 1 point per ounce. And
Whose recipe?
What?
Whose?
It's My Busy Kitchen.
At, right? At
My Busy Kitchen. But she has a blog that comes up with My Busy Kitchen, and she has like a whole cookbook. Why she don't publish it? Get at it, girl. Get at it. Very similar to the skinny pizza dough or the 2-ingredient dough that Weight Watchers puts out, but this tastes so much better. How much better? So much better. Why are you shaking your head? I see you. Okay. So, we're going to get everything in there. And like a pig in the blanket. Oh, piggy piggy.
Your name's Bella, not Piggy.
Oh, I introduced
on your
the
nose.
other sidekick. I think it's a feather. This is the other side. What is that on your nose? I'm cooking. I can't take care of it.
Okay.
I was like, wait, feed me.
Stop.
Okay.
There's a piece of paper.
They're not gonna. Oh, from the scratcher.
Yeah.
They're not gonna be perfect. Don't worry about it. But I cooked these in there, and they come out beautifully every time. So I'm gonna move this over here, and what you do want to do that I almost forgot to do that I would have been really upset about is when you're cooking things on a grate like this that has this dough, you want to use parchment paper. so that the dough doesn't ooze through the grate and rip off when you take it off.
Continue.
I don't own the rights to any of that music. I don't even know what song it was. But I think that kind of sucks, that copyright flag stuff, because you should like that I'm listening to your music. Especially if I don't know what it is.
It's AJR.
She knows what it is. I still don't know what it is. What's
Nice
it?
nails.
Oh, thanks. If you're from the Buffalo region, it's AP Spa Nails. Great job. Do you see what a bitch these are? But they're so good.
It's okay, I literally just stuck my entire finger in front of the camera. So.
Oh, cool.
Not for long, but it was there.
Good. That was her finger. Look at that. The magic happens. Oh, maybe I should put the hot dog on top of the bacon instead of the bacon. What? Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
That means something's probably going to be done soon. Okay. So in here right now. Rubble. Oh, that's some chowder. Rubble. The Hungarian sausage, par cooked. Actually, it feels well cooked. This is a homemade sausage that we get off the black market at Home Depot. Super good. I haven't had the Hungarian. We have had the hot sausage, the hot deluxe Italian, and what's the other one?
Hungarian.
The last one we bought, not this one. Chorizo. Did we eat that one yet? No. Polish was the first one we bought. Kobasa. Okay. So, to keep everything from sticking, I use Trader Joe's olive oil spray. Spritz it. And this is a Dollar Tree cutting board. It comes in a 2-pack for $1, so virtually 50 cents each. Just spread it out. Roll your bowl into a flat. Roll your bowl into a flat.
The term is misused in American pop.
Roll your ball into a flat. Then take your other mat, put it down on top.
You don't have to spray that one?
That one was already greasy.
Oh.
Because the greasy sausage thing was on there. You can if it looks dry, but use your own judgment. And if you don't have judgment, grease it. This just makes it easier than stuff sticking to your counter. And I don't like playing with dough. Like, I'm not good at smacking it, flipping it, rubbing it down. I'm gonna try this bacon down. That. This. And as you can see, this is where the hot mess comes into play because I'm not kitchen organized. Okay. So, pull it over. It's like I pulled it from one side to the other. Pray as we roll. Everything's good. That worked much better. So, in the kitchen, on the Hot Mess Express, is trial and error. Okay. Just pinch them together. It's okay. It doesn't ooze out. Hold up. I was gonna use usually use everything but the bagel seasoning, but I might be out of it. So today I'm gonna use the 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's. It's like an all-purpose seasoning, chicken, beef, pork. And this one looks a little dry, so you want it to stick. You could use egg wash, but this is just giving the bread itself, like your roll itself, a little bit of flavor. When you put it in the vortex oven, you don't want it right on the top, you don't want it right on the bottom. It's okay to preheat or not preheat, however you want to do it. But you're going to put it on the air fry setting, 350. 15 minutes usually does it, but I start off at 10. It's going to go through a preheat cycle, so you want to keep an eye on it. But it was already warm, so I don't know how long that cycle is going to be. There's a light in there so that you could actually watch it as it's cooking. This thing's super easy to clean. I use it for everything. It has air fry, roast, dehydrate, fits under the cupboards nicely. Really, really cool. It's really cool.
And then repeat for the sausage.
I'm not going to put the hot peppers in the sausage. I'm just putting cheese in the sausage. I'm going to have hot peppers on the side in case anybody wants to add hot peppers. But because I'm not sure of the spice, I was told it's a little spicy. So for the sausage, I'm just going to sprinkle cheese. Put a sausage in there. And because it is Hungarian, I'm not battling with bacon. I'm just doing that. So it's more like a sausage sandwich. If you wanted to put sauteed onions, peppers, just don't make them mushy, like really watery, because it'll make your dough inside slimy. But you can add mushrooms, peppers, onions, whatever you want. These little pockets are good for calzones. They're good for taco pockets if you have taco leftovers. You can make breakfast egg wrap sausage things with whatever in it. It's very versatile. And like I said, it can go sweet or savory.
All right, we'll check back after they're done.
What kind of
Quick,
bread
make
is
an
wrapped
outro.
around this? What?
Skinny pizza dough.
You're a skinny pizza now.
This is our finished product, guys. Everything is done perfect, nice and crispy, low points. We are out. Hot Mess Express leaving the station. Choo choo.
It wasn't his time then, obviously.
That's what was keeping
Hot Mess, this sounds good in my head. I'm using the savory dough that I said is just for savory, and we're trying it sweet because it didn't taste super savory, like the seasoned salt left too much flavor in it.
Heart attack was minimal.
So
Yeah, he was very lucky.
I'm making little buns ish, and then I'm gonna sprinkle them.
So
This
that's who told
is
me this
Trader Joe's no fat Greek yogurt, 0
thing.
points.
Why they'll be leaving.
And then I used a tablespoon of the seedless raspberry jam.
Good to know.
It made a nice
I'll
flavor.
be forwarding the quote.
I'm hoping it tastes like a cheese-ish Danish.
We might be hearing ambulances roll out. That's definitely above what he was
I'm
hoping.
just scooping a little bit in there and pinching it up. And then the finish is gonna be air fry.
He did email me that he took care of you.
Because if you walk away from my channel knowing anything at all, you
So I
can
told
air
him, thank
fry
you.
everything.
As far as I know.
I'm guessing.
Got
A
two lockout
tampon, a
spots.
penny, and another tampon is what you're saying.
Couple of
It worked out
plugs.
good. Hot Mess Express pulled through for dessert. Impromptu. Yummy donut.